this very special series, Gaon Badhe to Desh Badhe. NABARD, as part of successfully completing its 3 decades of dedicated services to rural India, has instituted the NABARD Awards for Rural Innovation. These awards recognize and reward those innovators who have had a significant impact on improving the quality of life of those living in villages. The awards received an overwhelming response of over 1,400 entries from across the country, out of which the top 30 innovations were shortlisted by an esteemed jury led by Union Minister for Rural Development, Jairam Ramesh. Out of these, the top 12 innovations were then presented with awards by Union Minister of Finance, P. Chidambaram. So through this series, we are putting the spotlight on these top 30 innovations that are today changing the face of rural India. Our first story today is of an innovation that has drastically improved the soil health of Bardwani village in Madhya Pradesh. In an area of low rainfall and coarse soil, IFFCO has initiated a Save the Soil program that has rejuvenated the productivity of fields using tube wells, drip irrigation and other water management techniques. Here's the story.
India's heartland and one of its biggest states, Madhya Pradesh is a land of infinite color and vivacity. Its district of Bardwani, despite getting very little rainfall around the year, has today become a major hub for cotton and chili production. In fact, Bardwani and its surrounding areas have today become famous as the region's chili belt, producing eclectic varieties of not just Indian chilies but exotic versions as well. But all was not well till some years back. Bardwani is susceptible to low rainfall and high summer temperatures, which led to poor rainwater retention in the soil. It is also home to an undulating topography with a coarse soil that results in a high percolation rate of the farmers. They initiated the Save the Soil program, a 3-pronged strategy to combat all the ills that plague the farmers of this area. They introduced the concept of poly-mulched line pond and hence lower groundwater table and less tube well discharge. All these unfortunate circumstances combine to break the back of the farmers of Bardwani.
पहली बात तो सर क्या जमीन में ढलान अधिक है और उसके
The land here has high gradient plus the soil layer is very thin. Below that it's all stony. Hence the productivity of the soil was very less, which was the main problem.
ये समस्या आ रही है.
This is where IFFCO's Bardwani field unit stepped in to savings, drip irrigation systems and water-soluble fertilizers. A system that has resulted in unprecedented increase in efficiency and has revolutionized crop productivity.
तो इन चीजों को जब हमने एक कोऑर्डिनेट किया
When we combined all these activities under one program, the result was that the amount of water that was used to irrigate 170 hectares of land now irrigated close to 600 hectares of land. The second thing was that the pickings of chili and cotton increased drastically. Earlier, without drip irrigation, cotton production was just 15 quintals per hectare, but today it is 35 quintals per hectare. In terms of pure profit, earlier the farmer earned around 24,000 rupees per hectare. But after this, he is earning more than 55,000 rupees per hectare.
वो 52,000-57,000 रुपए एक हेक्टेयर का मुनाफा ले रहा है.
This unique system has majorly helped the chili farmers of Bardwani, helping them increase productivity of the local varieties. In fact, they are now venturing into plantation of foreign varieties of chilies as well, exports of which are giving them prosperous returns. Anand Padidhar and his brother are two of the farmers who have majorly moved into farming of the exotic picador chili, and the upswing in their fortunes has been quite remarkable.
मेरे पास जब मल्च ड्रिप नहीं था उससे पहले खाद का भी उतना पूरा बेनिफिट हम नहीं ले पाते थे. क्रॉप भी हम
Before I had poly mulch and drip irrigation, I couldn't take full benefit of fertilizers. Crop productivity and yield was very low too. Today my yield has increased 3 times and we are getting good quality crops as well. Earlier my crops used to fetch low prices at the market because of inferior quality. But today that is not the case and I am earning good profit.
लेकिन ड्रिप और मल्च करने के बाद हमारे माल का काफी उठाव आया और टाइट बिकता है, जिससे हमें बहुत मुनाफा होने लगा है.
And the productivity increases are not limited to the chili crop alone. Other crops have shown significant returns as well, with yields witnessing an increase of over 150% in areas where drip irrigation was installed. This has resulted in net income increases of over 250%, an unprecedented and welcome windfall for the farmers of Barwani district.
अभी जो है हम लोग ड्रिप पे कर रहे हैं और वेजिटेबल कर रहे हैं. वेजिटेबल में
Today we have diversified into vegetables such as cucumber, karela, turai, gourd and tomatoes using drip irrigation. Today our profit stands at close to 70,000 rupees per acre. We get good rates in vegetable farming as well, much better than our traditional crop like wheat and cotton.
उन दोनों क्रॉप से गेहूं और कपास से इसमें पैसा ज्यादा मिलता हम लोगों को. मतलब
The untiring efforts of the local IFFCO officers have made the farmers repose their utmost trust in them. They approach them for all kinds of advice, from helping construct poly-mulch lime ponds and installing drip irrigation systems to information on latest fertilizers and farming techniques from not just India but around the world. The helping hand provided is leading to the true emancipation of these farmers.
ये जो है हमने 2011-12 से
We started this initiative in 2011 with the construction of one model tank. On seeing its success, we today have constructed 30 such tanks at the fields of 30 farmers. We have already covered 15 to 16 villages under this scheme and are gradually increasing its scope. The farmers of this area have themselves understood the advantages of this system and acknowledged that this is the right way to go about farming.
फायदे से जब अभी लाभान्वित हो रहे हैं तो उनको एहसास हो रहा है कि ये हमने सही किया.
In a land that was hilly, barren and cried out for rains, the efforts of IFFCO have brought about far-reaching results. Their superior system of farming has brought about increases of over 200% in crop returns. From barren to blooming, the turnaround tale of Barwani district is an example to all of India of the importance of adopting modern farming techniques.